Iran has struck near American base this time. That's right, it was supposed to be a very normal morning until the explosion changed every single thing. Welcome to TimesXP's War Updates with me, Triti Yatri. And around 9:15 a.m. local time, the calm skies over the United Arab Emirates, they were suddenly broken. A missile came down, fast, precise, and dangerously close. And you know what the target was? An area near Australian military base at Al Minhab airbase. And let me tell you here, it is not a random location, not an empty desert. Well, it is a strategic hub used by Australian forces operating in that particular region. Though the missile didn't hit the main base directly, but it came very close enough to send shockwaves. It slammed into a road leading into the facility. That's right. And within seconds, there was smoke, there was panic, there were flames. In fact, a small fire broke out, spreading towards nearby buildings. An accommodation block, it was affected by that. Even a medical facility saw some damage. But you know what? Here's the twist. Despite the dramatic visuals, the burning roads and damaged structures, there is no casualty, and that is the good news here. Not a single Australian soldier was killed. In the meantime, their Prime Minister, Anthony Albanese, he quickly stepped in. He confirmed the strike, he confirmed the damage, but most importantly, he confirmed that all the personnel, they are safe. But you know, behind the scenes, there are urgent calls that were made. Albanese spoke directly with their Defense Minister, Richard Marles. Security was reviewed, threat level was reassessed, because this was not just another incident. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a signal. And the message from Iran, that was clear, unpredictable, relentless, and expanding. The strike comes at a time when Iran is already launching attacks across the region, targeting Israel and increasing pressure on the Gulf nations. Now, even international forces stationed in the region, they are feeling the heat. And it matters, and that too a lot. Why? Because Australia, they are not a frontline country in this conflict, right? Yes, it has though military presence in the UAE that makes it a bigger security network. Now at Al Minhad airbase, Australia do operate some key assets like the E-7 wedge-tail aircraft, that is a high-tech airborne early warning system, by the way. Let me simplify this for you. It's a flying radar. It tracks the threat, it monitors the airspace, and it helps allies stay on one step ahead. So when a missile it lands this close, it's not just about damage anymore, it's about vulnerability. It raises a chilling question here. The question that if this base can be reached, what else can be targeted? Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture here that's even darker. The Middle East is already on the edge, right? Missiles flying, drones swarming, and alliances are tightening. And now another country is pulled closer into the line of fire. Australia has called Iran's actions unacceptable and unpredictable, but many are asking, is this unpredictability or calculated escalation? Because every strike like this, even if it causes minor damage, even if nobody is hurt, it still pushes the entire region one step closer to something much bigger. And for the soldiers on that particular base, it's a chilling reminder. A reminder that in today's world, wars don't always knock on the front door. Just sometimes it lands just outside your home.